is doing super amazing. So the best offer right now to sell with Gohighlevel as an agency owner, whether you're already having the Gohighlevel, whether you want to wish to start with the Gohighlevel as a new, make sure you watch the video completely till the end, because I'm going to ensure not just I tell you with proof what is the best offer and what is the value proposition, why it's the best offer, and exactly we are going to find out why exactly should the client whom you are making this offer would be willing to pay you that much amount, and long term they will be sticking with you. And in fact, it is also related with the AI, which is the AI boom. So make sure you watch the video completely till the end, because of course it is going to be good valuable knowledge for you guys. So if you are already aware with the Gohighlevel, they already have so much of the big features, great feature. For example, the website itself, the smart websites that you can sell. Then you have the missed call text back, where somebody is calling, and then the call that is missed, eventually there will be the text message that is going to be sent to the local business, and this way they don't miss the calls. Or probably the review management, where the Google review request is being sent to their respective client, all the clients, whoever is in their lead system, where a review request is being sent for them. All these features are fine. To some extent, there are pros and cons to it. For example, like just asking a client that, hey, you pay us $297 a month or $500 a month, and we are going to send, like, the system is automatically going to send review requests to all the clients. This is fine. A lot of people are doing it as well. But right now, let's say you had to start it, or you had to go with the best thing that Gohighlevel can offer. You would rather invest your energy into something which actually has the best potential out there. That is why I would not go with, and we are not selling every feature. Oh, missed call text back as well to one client. A confused mind always says no. We start with just one feature that we are going to sell, and which is the hottest right now. So apart from all these features being super amazing, the hottest feature right now that you would be selling to anybody out there would be the AI chatbot. The AI chatbot is something which is, because see, everybody is first of all pre-sold onto the idea of the artificial intelligence taking over, and everybody needs to get into the artificial intelligence. So the very idea that AI chatbot you are installing instantly within, like, it's hardly 5 minutes job, and I'm going to show you in this video as well. You are going to install on their website, and not just 24/7 it is going to take the queries of those people. It is also going to book the appointment for them. This very idea is super amazing, and if you actually craft a super amazing offer for them with this promise of the AI chatbot delivering to them risk-free offer for them, and to my, because this AI chatbot and comes under the AI employee as well as the AI voice agent, where the voice agent is going to 24/7 assist anybody calling on that, also comes into the AI employee. Why not club it? This is my personal take onto it, that anybody getting the AI chatbot, we are even going to give you a voice agent who knows everything about your business, and anybody calling onto that number, the voice agent is going to assist them, and anytime you pick up the phone, the voice agent would not. Anytime you miss the phone, the voice agent would. This very super amazing crafted offer, if you present it with the right price, right offer, this is going to be gold rush in the coming time. Let me tell you, the website, imagine in early 2000, anybody who's trying to sell the website, wasn't that super amazing thing that, okay, year 2000, it was still so early. Even in the year of 2010, 10 years later, anybody who would have started website still would have been selling so many big businesses, like so many number of businesses. And imagine, even to this day, even the website business, anybody who's trying to do, is able to excel. So imagine, where are we in the AI field, where a personal AI chatbot who can take up the appointments 24/7. For example, the barber shop, there is a dentist shop, the chiropractor shop, at a minimal cost, like the amount that you're charging, let's say $297 a month. So $200 will be your profit. AI employee unlimited feature comes with $97 only as a cost. So $297 you're charging. A dentist, it's a no-brainer for. But I'm also going to show you some of the things which I check from the chat GPT. What is exactly the benefit those businesses are having with this AI chatbot and the voice agent that you're going to do, deliver them, that they will definitely, it's a no-brainer offer to them. But before proceeding to that, let me also tell you, I'm also an affiliate, in fact a premium affiliate to the Gohighlevel, because I have been doing it from quite a while. So I have crafted one of the best bonuses anybody who signs up using our referral link, and it also helps us to create content like these for you guys. So all you have to do is just go to the website gohighlevel.com/Abdullah and you get 30-day free trial. And the special bonus, let me just quickly tell you the special bonus that you're going to get is 127 exclusive snapshots. Snapshot is a template that is plug and play. You just one click of a button, it will be installed. Let's say the real estate snapshot, let's say the AI agent snapshot, let's say mortgage, any kind of 127 snap. But apart from that, the best bonus that we are offering, which I believe only select few people would be offering, is our personal time. Yes, I'm going to create a personal WhatsApp group between you, me, and my Gohighlevel expert. And the expert lady is going, like, because I realize through email or somebody just delivering a course is anybody anyways out there. So I need to give you the best bonus, which is my personal time on the WhatsApp. Anytime, even in the night, you're chatting. Initially, I want to do the setup. Like, at this point, what should I do? This is the error I'm getting. What should I do? So the lady is out there. It's as if you're talking to a colleague, and that comes as a part of a bonus. She will arrange for a call, do the setup for you, and in fact, you want the AI chatbot to be developed. All that thing will also be developed by her. Like, she will show you live through the system and get you started, because this is how we benefit if you use the system in the long run. That is why I'm dedicating my personal time. So make sure you sign up using our link gohighlevel.com/Abdullah. And in fact, you want to check out the bonus, just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots. You will be able to see all the bonuses that you're getting. So 127 snapshot, one-to-one personal support. So everything else comes along with it. Within one-to-one personal support, you can ask any of the question. And for the people, let's say there are people who have already got the account, they also check, what should I do? How can we get those 127 snapshot, all the AI snapshot and stuff? All you have to do is just, because you already have the account, just go to your AI employee and just put our code AI bonuses in there, AIBONUSES. Just put and apply, and we will deliver you the entire snapshot. You click on settings, you click on manage employee, you click on manage offer, and here you just put AIBONUSES and click apply. That's it. The moment you do that, just email us at abdullah@abdullahzahid.com. We are going to deliver you 127 snapshot. And apart from that, if you, let's say, land your first AI employee client, you want onboarding, you're not sure, it is on us. You just message me or email me. I'm going to assign that assistant, and she's going to get your entire first client onboarded in front of you, so that next time you can onboard any people as you want. But anyways, coming back onto the respective thing, why the AI chatbot offer is super amazing, and it is going to make you a massive amount of money. Now let us because you as an agency, we are thinking, let's say I'm an agency owner, I will be thinking how much money I can make, how many business I can sell. But let us start thinking from those businesses perspective. Are they really getting some benefit where we as an agency owner are doing a favor to them? So from their mindset, I try to ask some of the questions from the chat GPT. Let's say this one, dentist or orthodontist. Now, why would they want the AI chatbot? They get a constant flow of inquiries for appointments. Staff often miss calls or take too long to respond. Now, what is the benefit? AI chatbot or voice agent auto responds 24/7 and books appointment for them instantly. So in terms of value perception, let's say apart from the AI being the boom, everybody wants that AI chatbot to be out there for them. But even the amount of money it can save, because a single missed patient could be worth 500 to this one, 2000 in a lifetime value. And your fee is like $297 per month that you're charging for the AI chatbot. It's like a no-brainer for these dentists, like the amount of 24/7 it is working. It can handle hundreds of people and booking appointment live, They get a message, oh, next appointment book. Otherwise, they will have to hire. Imagine they hiring as somebody. Sometimes they have to pay $1,000 plus more, and that too not 24/7. That too one by one the call happens. But with the AI chatbot, the voice agent doing that appointment booking, you're setting up an appointment booking system for these people. Similarly, for the real estate agents, they deal with dozens of leads daily from portals like this one. Leads go cold if not followed up within 5 minutes. AI voice agent text call back, qualifies the lead, book showing. So one closed deal, like it's showing in terms of rupees, but in terms of dollars as well. Like, this is nothing for these people. Salons and spas, they are based on the appointments, and they need continuously 24/7 an assistant, but with lot of missed calls and so many appointments are being missed. AI chatbots, nothing will be missed. Confirms the reschedule, reminds the client further because of the workflow is also there, and any 10 to 15 extra booking will anyways cover the cost. Anything further is going to be a big upsell, a big profit for them. And then like the restaurant, of course they want to be in the AI field, but apart from that, even the money or one party booking can easily cover the monthly fee. Apart from that, so much money left on the table because of the clients being missed. Similarly for the coaches and the consultants, similarly for the home services. So you name any niche businesses. So as you can see further, why this offer is irresistible for them. Businesses normally take hours to respond. AI answers within seconds. Huge conversation boost. Staff go home. AI never sleeps. No more losing customers because of the missed calls. They don't need to hire extra receptionists or call center staff. Customer XP AI can answer FAQ, because see, with the frequently asked question, I was super amazed with the frequently asked question. The moment that you are training your AI bot, the amount of answer, because it is super intelligent, it really answers precisely to the need. It really, if you're setting the goal to be an appointment setter, it is really pushing the client towards that appointment setting, and in a smart way. Like, it is not just bothering the person, it is answering the questions. And with every interaction that goes on, the AI chatbot keeps on getting smarter and smarter, because you see some of the answers you would want to tweak. You just click, one click of a button and you retype the answer. Next time it combines all those previous intelligence that you have fed into it and becomes much better employee for that business with every transaction, every FAQ that you add, and with the real conversation that you are seeing, the kind of answers it is giving, it can really become smart. And just imagine anybody, this is like, once you have installed for these people, what is going to happen? Those people will not switch, even with the bad service. People, I mean, if let's say I got a Wi-Fi, everything is going on, somebody coming out with an irresistible offer, I'm not going to remove my Wi-Fi, and it takes a big change, big pain and big all that to move all that to transition onto a new person. So this is your opportunity of a lifetime, that if you're putting your effort, why not put into the effort that is going to be the trend in the coming time. The AI business that you're building, imagine you're selling, like, keep your target as 1,000 people you're going to sell. 1,000 people you're installing, you're making a revenue, $200 of profit, like $300,000 of revenue, and the profit is $200,000 every single month.
Hi, my name is Abdullah Zahid and I have a confession to make. I have been associated with Gohighlevel as an independent affiliate from the past 4 years. I've done interview of Sean Clark, the CEO and the co-founder, another co-founder, Varun Varavan. Super amazing people these are, one of the best software, and that is why we are on a journey to promote this software to as many people as possible. So we thought of solving the problem of the agencies for free. We have seen a lot of agencies who sign up new or just get on board with the Gohighlevel. They have a lot of issues because they do not know this, how do you set up, and then how do you use the system. They have a lot of question answer. They need constantly somebody to be around so that they can ask the question, they can get the setup. So they happen to even invest a lot of money hiring people around to get their website development, to do XYZ things. So we have converted all of this into a form of bonus for anybody who signs up using our referral link. So all you have to do is just go to the website abdullahzahid.com/snapshots, and that's where you can just click on the link and sign up for the 30-day free trial, or upgrade to the $297 or the $497 plan. Now, what are the bonuses that we are going to give you? Number one, one-to-one WhatsApp support, personal WhatsApp support. A group will be formed between me, you, and my Gohighlevel expert person, and the lady will be constantly there for your support. We'll do the onboarding, all your question and answer, anything that you wish to get developed, she will be developing. My goal is that the WhatsApp group will be ended only when you say, okay, I am satisfied with the support. That's the number one. Number two, you will be getting 127 exclusive snapshot. Basically, these exclusive snapshot, if you individually try to get them in the market, you'll have to pay thousands of dollars just for one snapshot. This is a done for you template, by the way. But here you are going to get it completely free, the entire 127 snapshot set. Not just that, even the personal website or the funnel development, if you wish, our Gohighlevel expert will do it for you. Then the fourth bonus would be, we understand the importance of the artificial intelligence. So the AI employee, entire grasping, like teaching you how do you do that, how does it work, and even doing the setup if you wish for it. And personalized guidance to all the secret trainings and the courses that are available for you to watch and do, as well as the private community access. So this is a personalized time bonus that we are giving to you, which is a unique bonus that you are going to get as an affiliate, because a lot of other people I have seen, they provide done for you courses and bonus which you can get it anyways onto the YouTube and other promo materials. So here is the personalized support which is really going to be beneficial for you guys. All you have to do is just go to the link abdullahzahid.com/snapshots as onto the screen, sign up for the 30-day free trial or upgrade to the $297 or $497 plan, and you are going to get, like, using the button link available there, you'll get all the bonus I just mentioned, irrespective whether you sign up using our link or not. I wish you guys all the best and I really love you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi guys, just want to shoot this quick video. Last month I signed up to Gohighlevel using Abdullah's affiliate link, and he gave me the snapshots as promised, and also I worked closely one-on-one with his Gohighlevel expert, and that was amazing and very helpful. She walked me through Gohighlevel, helped me create some workflows and automations. And yeah, if you're considering working with Abdullah or signing under his link, I highly recommend it. And yeah, wish you good luck. Cheers.
These numbers look insane, but if you do the math like literally one after the other, once you find the first person, you know the process. You just focus on scaling. 1,000 people is no big deal in the time of the gold rush, where people want that AI chatbot to be out there for them. Now, in terms of offer, what kind of offer that you would want to give them? Like, a lot of people would be like, okay, charge the first time installation fee as well as you know, that $297 a month and stuff. I mean, just imagine if your value proposition has that first installation fee of $5,000 or $2,000, but you give them that, okay, personally I want to work for you, I want to remove your entire installation fee, you just pay that monthly cost that is coming and that's it. Imagine the value that you're giving. Like, it is no brainer for a lot of people that, bro, am I getting this entire chatbot and he's giving me the entire discount of the first $5,000? In fact, like, if I had to do that, like if I personally had to do that, I would even go to the extent of, you know, making the first month as, okay, I'm going to, even the first month, I'm just going to charge you $97 a month. Second month onward, it becomes the $297, because the foot in the door, the toughest part is to convince them to get started with it. The moment that they get started with it, they find the value out of it, and then they don't want to switch it, because they know it, the moment that they are putting the service, it is a monthly service, not to, you know, it's not a one-time service. So the first month you're not making the profit, you're not making the loss, just $97, which is paying for the Gohighlevel AI Employee Unlimited, and they having a voice agent and AI chatbot. But imagine the number of people with this minimum barrier to entry offer, where people don't have big stakes, big amount of money, just $97 a month for the first month. So many people you will be able to attract with that offer. Just create that irresistible offer where people don't have option to say no, and spread it as much as possible. Imagine when the real billing comes, the amount of money you will be able to make would be super amazing. That would be my take. Guys, I hope that you find the information helpful, and if you do not know how do you set up the AI chatbot and AI voice agent, I have actually created one of the video in the previous videos right before this. You can see the AI chatbot being developed, and one of the video AI voice agent I have built live from the scratch for my own website, and it's very, very easy, you know. Just within the knowledge base, I just put my website and it knows everything about the AI knows now. The moment I put my link to it, and it gets trained with my respective website, and I show you even the FAQ, frequently asked questions, that you can keep on adding with time over that. So setting it up is easy, and as I said, like, you don't have to worry about setting up and stuff, because the moment that you're signing up with our link, gohighlevel.com/Abdullah Zahid, we are going to ensure that I create a personal WhatsApp group. The lady is going to assist you with the entire Gohighlevel setup, the initial setup, your agency setup, as well as walk you through this AI agent. Your job would be to actually go out and find the clients. And for the people who have just entered our code AI bonuses, as I told, like within AI settings, AI employee and manage offer, existing Gohighlevel users, apart from sending the entire 127 snapshot, we are even going to, you know, the first client that you onboard for the AI chatbot or the voice agent, the onboarding will be on us. We are going to, our Gohighlevel expert, 100% free, will be doing along with you on the onboarding. And as I said, through the WhatsApp group that I form, it's much easier. It's personalized support as a bonus, and I believe that you guys deserve to have it. I wish you guys all the best. Please leave the comment down below for what do you think about the best offer that I just mentioned. Do you think all this point is valid? Do you feel otherwise? Like, is it not valuable? Don't you believe that this is such a valuable thing that you're actually doing favor for these businesses when you're trying to offer them? I would like to know your opinion. Thank you.